So I have a bit of an infestation on some of my greens and brassicas here. Aphids. These are, and if you're grossed out easily, then this might get you. There's quite a lot. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. They are totally littering this broccoli here. It's quite bad. So these seem to be cabbage or mustard aphids, and I'm going to try and treat this infestation first by spraying them off with the hose, and if that doesn't work, then maybe I'll just cut this back because it has gone to seed. And I also have them infesting the Chinese broccoli over here, which is also going to flower. So I'm going to try and spray these off, and we'll see how it works. So aphids shouldn't be able to get back to where they're roosting essentially after they've been sprayed off. I'm going to start with the mist setting on my hose first, and then graduate up to stronger settings for the ones that stick around. So I can already tell it's getting a lot of them. But it's not getting most of them. So I'm gonna try on a higher setting and then come back once I've gotten most of them. Alright, and we're back. I got the great majority of them. I can kind of see some stragglers, so I'll work on it a little bit more. This is a sturdy plant, so the jet setting didn't really hurt it. And I wanted to preserve this plant and let it go to seed, so I didn't want to cut off the whole branch. And really, the spraying it off method is one of the more natural methods you can use before you start using like chemicals and pesticides and stuff. So I do recommend trying that first. So it looks like this plant's going to be okay for now. I am going to check back maybe tomorrow or the next day and just keep an eye on it to see if they start coming back. But I think we're going to be fine here. So I'm going to work on the Chinese broccoli next. And again, that's what it looks like before. I'll come back after I've worked on this and show you what it looks like. Alright, so here it is after I've cleaned it up. And I'll monitor this and see if we have any stragglers or any of them coming back, but they shouldn't have enough energy to get back up on plants once they've been sprayed off. And we'll see if this plant has been drained too much to survive, but it looks okay for now. But yeah, it's a really easy way to treat aphids that doesn't involve using chemicals and is in a lot of ways more effective than using chemicals. Yeah.